It is the ultimate symbol of American power, a fortress that travels at 600 miles per hour, a bunker that can survive a nuclear blast. But before it was the president's plane, it was just dirt. Today, we are taking you inside the classified supply chain to build the new Air Force One, from the first ounce of metal to the final takeoff. The journey begins in the earth. Massive excavators mine bauxite ore, which is smelted in terrifyingly hot furnaces to create aluminum 7075. We combine this with titanium ingots, metals strong enough to survive combat, yet light enough to fly. These raw blocks are rolled, stretched, and milled by high-precision CNC machines into the ribs and skins of a giant.
Lower slowly, easy now.
Clear on this side, it's in, perfect fit.
At the primary assembly plant, the skeleton comes together. Thousands of rivets join the fuselage sections. The massive wings are mated to the body, and the General Electric engines are hung. At this stage, it's known as a green jet because of its protective anti-corrosion coating.
To the left.
It looks like a plane, but right now, it's just a hollow tube.
Keep lowering.
Torque set on the main bolt.
Confirmed. Gear is locked.
Now the real work begins. The plane enters a classified facility for structural surgery. Engineers do the unthinkable. They cut massive holes into the belly of a brand new jet. They install heavy-duty super panels containing retractable air stairs and self-loading baggage doors. To ensure the plane doesn't snap in mid-air, the frame is reinforced with titanium braces. This is no longer a commercial airliner. Modern warfare is digital, so the plane needs a shield. Workers apply a fine copper mesh to the entire interior skin, turning the fuselage into a Faraday cage. This protects the onboard computers from the electromagnetic pulse of a nuclear detonation. Inside, teams run 240 miles of shielded wiring, twice the length of a normal jet, connecting the flying Pentagon server rooms that control the nuclear codes.
torque set on the forward bolts.
Confirmed on the diagnostic check. We are green for the next phase.
With the armor in place, we build the residence. The walls are packed with heavy soundproofing, so the president can whisper and still be heard. Carpenters craft the conference tables in the flying oval office, using lightweight veneers that look like solid mahogany. We install a fully functioning medical bay, complete with an operating table and a pharmacy, ensuring the commander-in-chief is safe, even in a health crisis. This plane doesn't just hide, it fights back. We cut slots into the wings for flare dispensers to confuse heat-seeking missiles. Now the green jet sheds its skin. Robots sand away the primer to reveal the aluminum. In the paint hanger, layers of high-gloss white and deep navy blue are applied. A steady hand paints the gold sheet line, and the American flag is revealed on the tail. Finally, the engine cowlings are hand-polished to a mirror finish, a signature trait of the presidential fleet.
The secure connection is established and ready for use.
Before it flies, it must survive the ground. We load it with fuel and run the engines to maximum thrust. straining the chains that hold it back. We test the waterproof seals with high-pressure water cannons and check the landing gear cycle. The beast is awake, and it is hungry for the sky.
The diagnostics are showing green across the board.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance. Phase 9 complete.
Toga set. Power checked.
Good morning, Center. Air Force One, good morning. Maintain current vector, clear to flight level 300.
Air Force One cleared for contact. Boom is stable.
Roger that. Stabilized fuel transfer commencing.
Secure link established.
$1,000.